Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? Here's something helpful. Here's a helpful video for y'all. So, y'all might be wondering, why am I not getting subscribers? I have the answer. So, in this video, I'm going to tell y'all, reasons why you're not getting any YouTube subscribers. And so, reason number one is you have to make shorter videos. You have to make shorter videos. Like what I'm saying is you have to make videos less than 5 minutes. That's what people will want to watch. That's how long people will watch for. And then they'll click off of your video. If it's boring, they will click off of your video. If it's awesome and it's longer than 15 minutes, then that's okay. But if you have 0 subscribers, why not start off with videos less than 5 minutes? That's what will get you YouTube subscribers. Let me know if you have any. If you don't have, let me leave a comment if you have 0 subscribers, okay? Because I'll help y'all with 0 subscribers, okay? And I'll reply to your comments only on this video. Only because this video is a helpful video, okay? So number 2 is what was I gonna say? Number 2 is make good content. Like, make content. What I'm saying is make content that people will want to watch. Like when you're doing house tour, people don't want to care about that. When you're doing room tour, people don't want to care about that. When you're even doing unpacking and packing videos, but people will want to watch packing a package, gaming videos, how-to videos, because how-to videos are popular on YouTube. Yeah. So number 3 is find helpful content that people wouldn't want to watch. Like, use your keyboard to type in every letter of the alphabet. Like, for instance, when you tap A, number 1 is what people are searching for, and then you click backspace B, click backspace C, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's what I'm saying about that. So number 4 is edit your videos. When y'all don't edit your videos, people don't know people don't know what your video is about. Like, I edit my videos. The things you need to focus on are I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all need to do with 0 subscribers. Just the things you need to edit with 0 subscribers are your descriptions, adding videos to playlists, and changing the privacy settings. That's all you need to do. That's all. And when y'all are a big YouTuber, like I'm a medium YouTuber with 210 subscribers, y'all can just edit everything. I'll show y'all how to edit videos, how to edit your videos. Okay? So, I did a video on how I edit my videos. So yeah. So I don't know what number I'm at. So the next one is make HD videos. So people don't want to watch boring videos. Like, people want to watch HD, 4K, and yeah, like, sometimes I don't make HD videos, HD quality videos. So yeah, quality matters than quantity. So yeah, remember that. Quality matters than quantity. So let's see, what's next on my list? Let's see, hold on. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, the next one is, hold on. The next one is don't upload constantly. Like when you're a small YouTuber and have less than 10 subscribers, if you upload constantly a day, then people will unsubscribe from you. You do not want that. People will unsubscribe in a split second. So don't upload constantly. For y'all people who have less than 10 subscribers, just upload once or twice a day. So, yeah. I would recommend you uploading once a day or even twice a day, but just do one video a day. When I started out as a YouTuber, I didn't even know how to upload. I didn't know how to, I don't know how to edit videos, and yeah. So, but now I'm but now I know how to do those stuff. So just leave a comment on what y'all need help on. Okay? Okay, so now let's see, what is the next one? What is the next one? Okay, what is the next one? Come on. Let's see. Okay, so that's all for my tips on why you're not getting subscribers. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, then hit the like button if this is helpful. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that little notification bell so you'll get notified when I go live and when I premiere and when I upload. And you'll be the first to see my videos. Okay? Okay. So, bye.